Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the differences between currency swap and interest rate swap. Both of these are important financial derivatives used by companies and financial institutions to manage different kinds of financial risks. Now, let's understand the differences point by point. Number 1. A currency swap is mainly used to exchange principal and interest payments in different currencies, whereas an interest rate swap is mainly used to exchange interest payments based on different interest rates. Number 2. A currency swap involves two different currencies between parties, whereas an interest rate swap normally uses only one currency. Number 3. In a currency swap, principal amounts are exchanged between parties, whereas in an interest rate swap, only interest payments are exchanged and principal is not exchanged. Number 4. A currency swap includes both principal and interest cash flows, whereas an interest rate swap includes only interest cash flows. Number 5. Currency swaps are usually long-term agreements that may continue for many years, whereas interest rate swaps are generally short to medium-term agreements. Number 6. A currency swap mainly helps manage exchange rate risk, whereas an interest rate swap mainly helps manage interest rate fluctuation risk. Number 7. Currency swaps are highly affected by foreign exchange market movements, whereas interest rate swaps are not affected by exchange rate changes. Number 8. The value of a currency swap depends on exchange rates, interest rate differences, and credit spreads, whereas the value of an interest rate swap depends mainly on interest rate movements and yield curves. Number 9. In a currency swap, the notional amount can be in two different currencies, whereas in an interest rate swap, the notional amount remains in a single currency. Number 10. Common structures of currency swaps include plain vanilla and cross-currency swaps, whereas common structures of interest rate swaps include fixed for floating and basis swaps. Number 11. Currency swaps are commonly used by multinational corporations, governments, and financial institutions, whereas interest rate swaps are mainly used by corporations, banks, and investment firms. Number 12. Currency swaps affect both the balance sheet and profit and loss account because principal is exchanged, whereas interest rate swaps mainly affect the profit and loss account only. Number 13. Currency swaps are generally less liquid in financial markets, whereas interest rate swaps are more liquid and actively traded worldwide. Number 14. Currency swaps are documented using ISDA agreements with foreign exchange arrangements, whereas interest rate swaps are documented using ISDA agreements, mainly focused on interest payment obligations. Number 15. Currency swaps carry counterparty credit risk because of currency and principal exchange exposure, whereas interest rate swaps also carry credit risk, but mainly related to interest payment obligations. Number 16. An example of a currency swap is when a U.S. company exchanges U.S. dollars for euros and pays interest in both currencies, whereas an example of an interest rate swap is when a company pays fixed interest and receives floating interest on the same notional amount. So, the key takeaway is that currency swaps involve exchanging currencies, principal, and interest payments, whereas interest rate swaps mainly involve exchanging interest payment obligations within the same currency. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.